Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet for a positional stock option scanner, which helping you to find out positional trade opportunities by using our advanced option strategy concept. And today also we have achieved some other stocks. Yesterday we are looking for some stocks like a PFC and REC achieved our target. Some of the stock which not triggered. So as of now, after our entry point, almost 17 stocks up to BPCL more than 30% which increased. But we know well our stop loss and target based on the concept. So as of now, around 12 stocks achieved our monthly positional target. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. Some of the trades it doesn't give you the opportunity. Yesterday also we discussing about some stocks like ICICI Bank. So 935 call option 41.2, and currently it is trading almost 81.5, so near about 100% which increased from that one. And but unfortunately ICICI Bank doesn't give you the opportunity. Even we discussed about yesterday ICICI 935 call option. There is a, by opening itself, it is a gap of around 46 and it came down to 41.65, but our entry point is around 41.2. So it doesn't give you the opportunity to take at our exact entry point where we are looking for. But today it was reaching towards more than our target. So we are not going to count this as my target. So Adani Port, that was in yesterday's trade. Those who are watching that particular stock, Adani Port 835, I think 830. Look at this. Yesterday it moves around 66 after a retracement. 60.1 is our entry point and it came down to 51. So after that 60, that is what a retracement entry that happened on Adani Port yesterday. And it was not moving big on yesterday, but today by the opening itself, it is 100 rupees and more than our target, and it is keep continuous and finally reaching to the top. And it's one more trade achieved our target based on our positional concept. And Ambuja Cement also, yesterday we are looking for Ambuja Cements not trigger our entry point thing. Okay, by the opening itself, it's around, sorry, Ambuja, it given you opportunity 31.7. It's a real trade opportunity 31.7, which is happening by yesterday 10 o'clock. And today that got achieved our target, the second stock. But Adani end, so based on our concept, it doesn't give you 290. So 2350 call option, and it was a gap up. Okay, so we don't consider. Yesterday it made a 285, so our breakout point is 290. Yesterday that level is not reached 290. By today opening itself, we're reaching towards 360 plus. Almost 249 is the low, and it was moving towards 350. So it doesn't give you the opportunity. So we are not considering this as our targeted trade. So maybe Adani and Adani Port, sorry, Adani Port and Ambuja Cement, which giving you the target, right? So this one and this one Ambuja Cement also be a targeted one, and Adani end we don't get any target. That means you are not able to buy. And one more stock is the ACC 1880. That is also be a targeted rate. Yesterday here is the point 155. Our entry point is around 140.9. That got triggered at this point around yesterday 11 o'clock, 128 to 155. There we find out a trade opportunity, and today it was triggered our target. So one more stock which triggered is about ACC. That has also achieved our target. What about Indupetro? Those who are watching, yesterday I did some good opportunities in Indupetro 247.5. Okay, sorry, it will be 347. So those were the strike price which are looking yesterday around 23. Our entry point is 22. That doesn't give you the opportunity, but today it is 43. So this is not a trade which is happening. And ICICI also not given. PFC yesterday we discussed, and ABB I think today 4400. Maybe whether it is liquid or not. I think it was traded today liquid, and this is the first candle around 248. Our entry point should be around 300. That is triggered on yesterday, I think, yesterday. So 300. So this is what a trade PFC, REC, and ABB, that has also achieved our target. So almost we achieved more than Adani Port, Ambuja Cements, ACC, and PFC, REC, and ABP. Almost 7 stocks, 7, 8 stocks. And L&T doesn't give you the opportunity. NTPC, those who are watching today, 262.5. NTPC 262.5. Sorry, NTPC. TPC. This is also one more stock which is giving you the opportunity, but today it started with 15.95, and it is a yesterday's trade. I think the entry point is around 15.9 here. Yesterday around sorry, 1st of December, after 3 days later it achieved our target NTPC, but after entry it came down to 12 and then it went up to yesterday and very flat, finally achieved the target. Almost based on our monthly concept, we are looking for 4 5 stocks for a monthly basis. So we find out almost 7 8 stocks which achieved our target. So based on the concept, and some of the stock which not active on monthly, some they will active on weekly. So weekly also be the positional Monday, Tuesday. Fresh position we can focus, and Wednesday and Thursday we can focus for an intraday kind of thing. So this is what a trade opportunity which we got at an Adani Port 830, 61.8, Adani Enterprise to 85. That was weekly basis. Adani getting an opportunity. So Adani same strike price 2350. Monthly entry price is different. Monthly entry price is around 290 and weekly entry price is 285. We are looking for a 285. That is exactly triggered on the first candle, and then we will be trying for lower the level that may be happen. So you can track positionally monthly, weekly, that we can go for, and SBIN we can check about SBIN. Today I took that SBI 565 28.95, SBIN 565. I think yesterday entry 565 31 28.9. So yesterday's entry doesn't give you the opportunity 28.90. So this is what an yesterday's opportunity around 9:45. Today it triggers our target. So these are all the concepts which are using by our positional trading strategy. So without any charts and indicator, we are planning this kind of trade opportunities by calculating the expected range of any particular stock. So we are deciding whether the stock having ability to generate a profit or not. Then only we are deciding for a trade opportunities from this. So that's about our concept, and we find that this month also started with good. Within 5 days, we have almost 8 9 stocks which is reaching our target. Some of the stocks already entered like XCS Bank, HDFC, BPCL, Colpol, Canara Bank. So these are all running now. So maybe we have to wait for as a positional maybe tomorrow coming sessions, so we can have the ability to achieve the target too. So those who are following our strategy, so this month also we started good, and those who are disciplined following that strategy with the discipline, so we got achieved our target on the month of December too. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or doubts, just comment on the comment box.